Okay. Day 1 on exploring Zombieland. Alright. Alright, buddy. Let's get out of here. Alright, sorry. Sorry, neighbor. Considered a bike, right? Probably go on the bike lane. Go do that. Try not to die here. Oh, people. Alright. Alright, in the bike lane. Yo, this thing's not half bad. Woo. How many gears does this thing have? Alright. Oh yeah, fun fact, I don't have front brakes on this thing. Oh shit. Almost fucking fell off the bike. Alright, so where the fuck we going? Back on this. Go back on the trail. Yo, is Chinguzi Park open? Yeah, screw Bramalea. Let's go wander around Chinguzi Park. How are we gonna get there? Woo! Yo, this thing feels faster than my leader bike. Holy shit. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this place is super closed. Alright, go figure this shit out. Oh. Where the fuck? I don't think I should be riding in this, but fuck it. Alright. Okay. Aha, we're back. Alright. Okay, let's go through here. Oh, it's the farm. Hello, animals. Oh, it's blocked. Oh shit, it's blocked. Smells like shit. Smells like shit. Alright. Fucking agility course. Alright. Alright, where the hell are we? Oh, this is closed too. Okay. Back here. Where do they keep all the animals? Oh. What's through here? Oh my god, it's the friggin' farm again. I wonder when security's gonna chase me out of the park. Look at the ducky. This place is dark as fuck. Ooh, there's a person there. What are you nasty people up to? What's the volleyball court? Nice. fast in this bitch right now. Whoop. Oh shit! Almost fucking wiped out there, boys. Oh shit! Again. Oh fuck. Oh, thank God I can stay on this fucking bike. Whew. Alright. Almost fucking killed myself 3 times there, but it's alright. Yo, this place is bigger than I thought. Fuck. It's open? I can't see. Or am I just gonna run into a gate? Oh yeah, we're good. Ooh. So, funny story. My mom, she got me this little headlight from Walmart. See if it works. Holy shit! Woo! Look at that! Yo, thanks, Mom. God damn. Fuck. Holy shit. Yeah, definitely shouldn't be here. Ooh, there's another bike. Hey, bike. Holy fuck, I should get 2 of these fucking lights. They're sweet! There we go, buddy. Let's go. I wonder what he's looking at. Did you find 2 kids doing something nasty in there? Whoa. He's looking into the pond. Interesting. Hey, people. What are you 2 up to, huh? Fun fact, this is actually my first like pit bike / dirt bike. Pretty cool. It's not as fast as the shit that I'd like to drive, but I can take this in crazy places. What the fuck is this? Yo, this is shit where like Pennywise is at. Holy fuck, what's that? Where does that go to? There we go. What the fuck? Oh, it goes over there. Let's friggin' investigate this. So, that goes there. Oh. Oh, easy boy. There we go. Holy shit! What the fuck? Okay, let's figure this shit out. Oh. So that's blocked off on the other side. Oh my god, there's a friggin' trail! Holy shit! Yo, what if I fall in the fucking water? Oh shit! Oh, wow, well. It's not a good time to not have front brake. Yo, this place... If Pennywise, hello? Yo, my head is hitting the fucking ceiling. Yo, look at this place. Holy shit. Let me show you guys right now. Wow. Yo. You guys know about this? Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, holy shit, freaking Leviathan over here. Oh my god, I'm gonna get kicked out of this place. Holy shit. Okay, so that's blocked off too. Let me get in there. Oh my god, this thing's still on my face, bro. Question is, can we get in there? No bueno, boys and girls. Oh, what's this? Oh my god. Did I find a way in? Holy shit. I think I found a way in. I think I'm gonna die. You're a fucking hill climb. 1000% sure I'm not supposed to be here. Oh yeah. Definitely not supposed to be up here. But I have no front brakes, so like, dude, I'm gonna fucking die on the way down. So, I don't have a front brake. So, now I'm asking myself, what do I do when I get down there and I have no front brakes? Oh no, we're good. Never mind, boys, we're good. Holy shit, what the fuck was that? Yo, that was like a fucking frog or something. Oh shit, what the fuck is this? Ew. Dude, what? I think I just rode in shit. See anything, I'm so blind. Oh yeah, that's me just running off the fucking trail because I can't see anything. Is that people? No, no people. Trees. Those are trees. Oh, I could see. There's a little bit of light. Yo, why does everybody look at me weird? What? Just riding my bike. Go over the bridge we go. And where do we stop? No one knows. Where the fuck? Oh my god, we're at the beginning. I'm back. That was day one with adventures with Brad's dirt bike, pit bike. Yo, we're good, we're good.